Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Big 5 Construct Saudi app, a platform designed to have all your essentials in one place. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through accessing the app and using its key features. Please note that to access all the features of the app, you must be registered to attend Big 5 Construct Saudi. To get started, click the I have my registered login button and enter the email address you used to register for your visitor badge. Then enter your unique badge ID registration ID. You can find this number on the confirmation email or on your print at home badge below the QR code. Then proceed to set up your profile. This is how your app should look. On the app, you can find companies that match your business needs through our exhibitor list, easily navigate the event with our floor plan ahead with Event at a Glance, schedule sessions you want to attend with our agenda through summits and talks, view the full speaker lineup, network with industry peers using the attendee list, view the most frequently asked questions and discover exhibitors that are part of our sustainability initiative called EcoTrail, and so much more. I'm going to take you through these features in this tutorial. Exhibitor list. Once you click on the exhibitor list, you'll see the full list of confirmed exhibitors at the event. You can manually search for an exhibitor of your choice or filter exhibitors by week, hall, product, service, or country. You can click Show Interest if you would like to meet a certain supplier, or skip them if you feel they are not the right fit for your business. The exhibitors you show interest in will be able to see your details and can choose to reach out to you via chat to set up a meeting at the event. Floor plan. The floor plan helps you navigate your way through the event. Currently, the floor plan is a static image. However, closer to the show, it will become an interactive map that allows you to find any stand of your choice. Event at a Glance. This page provides you with information about the event and the benefits you will receive. Summits and talks. You can view the agenda across all 4 days of the 2-week event. You can filter the content by date, track, or stage based on your interest. You can also add the sessions you are interested in to your schedule. Next to each session, there is a calendar icon that allows you to add it to your personal schedule. Once added, you'll find it under My Schedule, helping you plan your day in advance and manage your time more effectively. Speaker list. The speaker list enables you to view the speaker lineup. Similar to the exhibitor list, the speaker list allows you to filter, show interest, or skip speakers. Attendee list. This feature helps you network with industry peers and make the most of your visit. You can filter attendees by location, company name, and job title to find exactly who you're looking for. You can show interest in attendees you want to network with and skip those you are not interested in. You will also find exhibitor representatives with whom you can request meetings based on available time slots. If accepted, this will be added to your schedule. FAQs. The FAQ section contains a list of frequently asked questions to assist you in your visitor journey. EcoTrail. EcoTrail is a new feature for 2025. Here, you can find exhibiting companies offering sustainable products or solutions. You can filter by week, company name, country, hall, and product services. You can also show interest or skip exhibiting companies based on your preferences. The Big 5 Construct Saudi app is an essential tool to help you plan ahead for the event. We hope this tutorial helped you understand how to access the app and its features. We look forward to welcoming you at the event.